Right, Zack, we're going in the red helicopter. You're going to go in the front? Look, because you can take the controls if you go in the front. Lots of buttons.
Oh, this is comfortable.
Oh, Zack, I love the buttons. You got to take that stick and we're going to fly the helicopter.
Let's stick off.
Oh my god, here we go. Woohoo! You're going to see everything from up here. The whole of Peppa Pig World.
I can see everything.
It looks amazing. Whoa, here we
I've
go.
got to see that one. So does that handle move? Yeah.
You can see everything from up here.
Don't drop your camera, otherwise you get
I can see the balloon ride. I can see Mr. Skinny Legs on the roof. I can see the Windy Castle Tower ride. We're at the top of the wheel. Imagine a train goes past there, you can see the barriers go down. So grab the controls, grab the controls. That's it.
What's the holding?
Whoa. Zacky, hello. Okay, yeah. Wow, look at these. These are good, aren't they?
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Why is that one? Why is that one the wet floor sign there?
It is, isn't it? It's raining
What
today,
is that man doing? Why is that man slipped under?
Yeah, here we go. Whoa, we're bouncing up and down.
The ducks. Oh look, what is that here?
Wow, look at the ducks in the water.
Hi, Mummy!
Look at these ducks.
Yeah.
What are they doing?
They're spinning.
Look at the ducks. Do you think the ducks like the ride?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a bumpy boat, isn't it?
What's that bumpy boat? Whoa.
It's a bumpy ride. Do you see Mummy?
What's that dreadful flying?
You see Mummy? There she is. Whoa, look at that ride. That looks good, doesn't it? With the track.
Yeah.
Like the lighthouse. Yeah? aren't they? Look at the car up there. That looks good, doesn't it? Do you want to go on that ride? Do you want to go on that ride?
Yeah.
Do you feel like Grandpa Pig?
What's that man doing?
Grandpa Pig's boat. Yeah?
Yeah.
Grandpa Pig's boat.
How can you pick it up? With your hand?
Grandpa Pig's boat ride. Let's go find the balloon ride. Go on then, Zack, you lead the way. Go, go, go. Do you know how to get on it? That's it, yeah, you got it. Oh man. How fast can you spin the balloon ride, Zack? Oh, there you go. Yeah. Is it spinning now? Let's try and go this way. Peppa Pig World up there. All aboard for the balloon ride.
How about the curved one? This is
Whoa.
quite
So fast.